Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on simple harmonic motion. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you've got the answer D, well done. Which graph shows how the gravitational potential energy of a simple pendulum varies with displacement from its equilibrium position? Let's draw a diagram of a pendulum and see what's happening. There it is at its equilibrium position. And then it's going to swing to the left where it'll get a positive displacement. It'll swing back to the middle and then swing in the other direction where it'll have a negative displacement. Let's draw those strings on there as well. There we go. So when you've got simple harmonic motion, the total energy of the system remains constant. And a pendulum is transferring kinetic energy into gravitational potential energy, then transfers back into kinetic energy and into gravitational potential energy again. So we can see it's going to have the most gravitational potential energy when it's at its maximum height, which is at its maximum displacements. So A and B can't be correct because they show the maximum potential energy at the rest position, which is when it has no gravitational potential energy. So it's C or D. Well, the shape of the curve you need is D, which is correct. So I hope that was useful. If it was, subscribe, like and share, and watch more in the series. Thank you for watching.